Hello everyone! Let's explore some handy TUKAcad shortcuts. Today, we'll learn how to manually adjust the pattern and grading on all sizes. Step by step. First, go to the segment menu and select Compare Length. Compare the back sleeve armhole with the back bodice armhole. You'll notice there is a difference. Now, we'll manually adjust the grading on all sizes. Close Compare Length. Go to the View menu and select Grading Table. Press Ctrl F4. Hide the seam allowance. Ctrl F6. Show grading. F4. Hide text. Ctrl T. Hide intermediate points. O. Now press W, the shortcut for the Walk tool. Walk on all sizes using the shortcut. Match the back sleeve armhole point to the back bodice armhole point using the Walk tool. Walk the sleeve to check the balance. Press F4 to hide grading. From the grading table, enable and show individual sizes. You'll see it's walking on all sizes. Now walk on the base size. Once the base size is corrected, the other graded sizes will follow. Next, go to the Tools menu and select Grading manually by Edit tool. Use the Move Point tool to adjust the grading on the other sizes. After adjusting one size, hide it and display the next size that needs correction. To switch from the grading table back to the piece, simply click on the work area. Repeat the same process for the remaining sizes. Once done, press Shift-W to restack the sleeve. Switch back to the Select tool. Then use Rotate to grain line. Press F4 twice. First, to hide grading for the two visible sizes. Then, to show grading for all sizes. This allows you to clearly view the changes. Press F4 again to hide grading. Go to the Tools menu and select Grading by Edit tool to disable it. Finally, return to the Segment menu and select Compare Length to recheck your measurements. And that's how you manually adjust the pattern and grading on all sizes in TUKAcad.